Hello, hope you are having a good day. Let's look at the top crypto news from across the world. First up, Bitcoin dead. Google searches hit new all-time high. Collapsing Bitcoin prices are reviving renewed speculation about the demise of the leading cryptocurrency, according to Google search trends. Google searches for Bitcoin dead spiked in the week ending Friday, June 18, and likely reached the highest level on record. Google Trends tracks interest in search terms over time, assigning scores of 1 to 100 based on the total number of user queries. The data are anonymized, categorized by topic and aggregated based on location. Bitcoin dead achieved a score of 100 for the period between June 12 to 18. The last time the search query scored 100 was in December 2017 or thereabouts. The Google search results reflect peak anxiety for the cryptocurrency markets following weeks of relentless sell-offs in asset prices. Bitcoin's downward spiral, now in its 7th month, may have been triggered by the Federal Reserve's massive shift in policy, which has placed downward pressure on risk assets. The implosion of the Terra ecosystem and its related contagion effects has also been a contributing factor. Adverse market conditions have also led to credible speculation that major industry players, such as Celsius and Three Arrows Capital, are facing insolvency. Mainstream media outlets have written hundreds of Bitcoin obituaries over the years. Their pundits have been cheering the latest market collapse as evidence that BTC is not a viable asset. Bitcoin supposedly died 45 times in 2021 alone, a year in which the digital asset reached multiple record highs. Bancor, BNT, and Impermanent loss protection blame hostile market conditions. Bancor Protocol has paused Impermanent loss protection, blaming hostile market conditions for the move. The announcement came on Sunday, following a tough week for crypto markets and a tough week for Bancor's native token. According to Bancor, their decision came as a response to the recent insolvency of 2 large centralized entities. The company did not go as far as to name the 2. Due to hostile market conditions, Bancor's Impermanent loss protection is temporarily paused, said Bancor in a Medium post. They added, Impermanent loss protection will be reactivated on the protocol as the market stabilizes. This is a temporary measure to protect the protocol and its users. In an AMA also released this Monday, Bancor's head of research, Mark Richardson, said that one centralized entity was now regarded as a hostile antagonist against the Bancor protocol, because it is creating short positions and attempting to manipulate the price of BNT. It seems this once happy family of crypto whales is now eating each other alive, and Richardson is less than happy about the situation. I am extremely disappointed with our industry that it even came to this, he said. Solana price soars as SBF and Alameda step in to prevent crypto collapse. Crypto billionaire and CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, SBF, opined that there's a need to step in and play a more active role in aiding members of the digital asset ecosystem, as the industry navigates uncertainty, company crashes, and market slumps. The FTX chief shared his thoughts in a recent interview with NPR's David Gura on the back on recent incidents involving stakeholders like Three Arrows Capital and Celsius. During his interview, SBF opined that the ongoing slump is largely due to actions taken by the feds. The FTX CEO said that the core driver of this has been the Fed, and that, literally, markets are scared. Bankman-Fried also admitted the central bank has a difficult task to handle, describing the process as being caught between a rock and a hard place. The crypto billionaire surmised that averting further crises and aiding companies should take center stage. Over the weekend, Alameda Research approved a massive $485 million loan to Voyager Digital, a crypto brokerage service. Sam Bankman-Fried hinted that Solana could hush the haters during the bear market. SBF also suggested that the network could solve validator issues and that work towards this effect might already be underway. Solana has faced criticism in recent months due to slow transactions and network outages. However, one user on Twitter, Brian Long, pointed out the network is building and implementing fixes while others are occupied by market dips. WeChat warns China users against using the app to trade crypto and NFTs. WeChat updated its rules regarding public accounts, which are involved in the issuance, trading, and financing of crypto and NFTs, and warned that accounts carrying out such activities would have limited function or be banned altogether. The notice by WeChat further provides the following descriptions of activities that will cause accounts to get banned or have limited functionality. The transaction and exchange business between virtual currency and real currency, virtual currency and virtual currency. Provide information intermediary and pricing services for virtual currency transactions. Token issuance financing and virtual currency derivatives trading. WeChat's warning is in line with China's government directive, issued in May 2021, to crack down on Bitcoin mining and crypto trading activities within its territories. A similar directive was issued in January 2018, with China's government highlighting money laundering, fraud, and electricity usage as the main reasons for the ban on crypto mining and trading activities at that time. South Korea delays crypto tax by 2 years. Before the announcement of the 2-year delay, the hefty 20% tax on crypto asset gains was supposed to come into action on January 1, 2023. However, thanks to the strong protests from investors, the plan has been pushed back till 2025. The proposal to levy a crypto tax was first presented in December 2020, when the government announced the 20% taxation rate on crypto gains above $1,974. Under the initial plan, the tax was supposed to be imposed from January 1, 2022. However, the Democratic Party and the opposing right-of-center People Power Party decided in November 2021 to push it back 1 year. The investors' demand to push back the taxation was supported by Chu Kyung-ho back in May 2022, when he was yet to be confirmed as the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Economy and Finance. During a National Assembly confirmation hearing, Chu had stated that a 20% tax on the crypto industry would be detrimental at the moment. He proposed waiting for the market to mature and for legislation ensuring transparency and investor protection before levying the tax. Thank you for joining us today. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with crypto world.